Well, new this morning, fostering Las Vegas's tech startup scene. You might think tech startups are only in Silicon Valley, but Southern Nevada has a very budding community with support from city leaders. Now, since May, the city of Las Vegas has helped create what you're seeing there, Tech Alley in the downtown arts district. It's a place for local tech entrepreneurs to meet and discuss their ideas and their business plans. We spoke with Tech Alley CEO Joshua Levitt, and he says these monthly meetups could really lead to some big business.
My mind was, let's create something where if anybody wanted to engage the tech scene, if anybody wanted to engage the startup scene or the entrepreneur ecosystem, they now know where to go.
It's very interesting, some of the projects that are in the works with some of these entrepreneurs. So Tech Alley is tomorrow. It started back in May, as I mentioned. It goes from 10 to 4. It's between Stinko's and Taverna Costera in the Arts District. You can register for the event at techalley.org. Yes, there is a place called Stinko's in.
Stinko's.
There you go.
Okay.